Good day, students. Today we will try to learn what is agenda setting theory. Agenda setting theory of mass communication looks at how the media is dictating our daily life conversation and the media impact on us, the audience or the viewers. The agenda setting theory was inspired by the book written in 1922 named Public Opinion by a renowned social scientist Walter Lippmann. He mentioned the relationship between the media and the public in his book. He reveals that there is a correlationship between the media and the public and how it influences our daily life conversation. Then after him a lot of social scientists work on it till 1968. The concept of agenda setting theory was coined by Maxwell Malthouse and Donald Shaw in the year 1972. They started their work on agenda setting in Chapel Hill, North Carolina during the presidential election in America in 1968. And in the span of 4 years, they found out that there is a correlation between the issue voters believed were important and the issue reported by the media. And eventually, they came to a conclusion which is the main philosophy of the theory, that is, the media may not tell you what to think, but it can tell you what to think about. Like, for example, the media cannot tell you directly that our society is a violent one, but they cover violent based stories in the media and portray it to the public, and eventually you as a viewer come to a conclusion that yes, our society is a violent one. The media here is what they noticed was informing the daily conversation. It didn't tell people what to think of a particular issue, but it was telling people what issue to talk about. The theory suggests that media and press does not reflect the real issue or reality, but instead it filters and shape the issue or reality and present it to the audience. And also media always concentrate on few issues and subjects and give an impression that these issues are vital to the masses and eventually leads the audience to perceive these issues as more important than other issues. For example, in our country Pakistan, the media give more emphasis to the political issue or a politician personal lives, and we the audience perceive these issues are more important. They are not reflecting the reality at all. Our real issues are poverty, social reforms, basic rights. The media doesn't tell us about that, but they form our daily conversation about politics and politicians, and we the audience perceive them as more important issue than poverty and our basic rights. In the diagram we can see when something happens which is the reality, then it goes through a filtering and shaping process by the media gatekeepers that decide how it should be disseminated to the public, and thus forming the media agenda. Then it is disseminated to the public and forming a public agenda, and people starts talking about the issue or the problem which is not a real issue. it is eventually formed by the media. Then the policymakers pick up on this specific issue and make policies about that specific agenda which is formed by the media. The people and the policymaker perceives it as the most important issue which is disseminated by the media. So it proves that media set the agenda of public and the policy makers. I hope you understand the agenda setting theory of mass communication. And if you have any questions regarding agenda setting theory, then you can ask me the question in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.